In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can access LOTE Online for Kids for free using your Fraser Coast Library's membership card. The first thing you'll need to do is head to the Fraser Coast Library's website, which looks like this. And as this is an e-resource, we're looking for our e-library. And there's the tab right there, so I'm just going to click on that, and that will bring up our e-library page. So this is where you can explore all of the wonderful resources that you can access from the comfort of your very own home. Now, as LOTE Online for Kids is a children's resource, we need to access the children's tab. So I'm just going to click on that there, and that brings up all of the various e-resources that your children can enjoy from the comfort of their very own home. So as you can see, LOTE Online for Kids is at the very top there. I'm just going to scroll through and show you also what we have, which is National Geographic Kids, Borrow Box, ePlatform, Zip Tales, Storybox Library and PK Mag. So please explore this at your leisure. All of those resources are available to you for free with your Fraser Coast Library's membership card. And here I'm just going to show you how to access LOTE Online and how easy it is. There's the link there. I'm just going to click on that, and that will bring up the home page where you need to have your library membership card ready, because your membership number is what you need to enter here. So I'm just going to do that right there and press submit, and then that opens up this entire website for you and all of the wonderful languages that your children can learn from the comfort of home. So you have the option of exploring through books or activities up here, or you can just simply click on the language. So if you just scroll on down, you can see lots and lots of different languages that are available to you. And there's also more that are constantly coming. So at the very bottom of the screen, if you can't see the language that you're after, there's also some more that are coming soon. So please explore this with your family. This is a fantastic free resource available to you, and we hope you enjoy it.